subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell icon. Thank you. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be giving you another update on Edo election. Governor Yemson Wike reviews why Oshomole is supporting Pastor Osage Iziyamu. The Edo State gubernatorial election has been fixed for the 19th of September 2020. And like every election in Nigeria, it has been filled with drama, twists, and political gimmicks so far. From the falling out between former national chairman of the APC, Comrade Adams Oshomole, and Goodluck Obaseki, who is the incumbent governor, to the decamping of the latter to the PDP, the twists continue to keep everyone on their toes. Just on Saturday, 8 August 2020, APC had their flag-off campaign at Benin, Edo State, which had in attendance many top APC chieftains, which included governors, ministers, senators loyal to the party. Speaking yesterday, during a media briefing in Port Harcourt, Governor Yemson Wike, who is the chairman of the PDP Campaign Council for Edo elections, made some revelations about Comrade Adams Oshomole and his support for the All Progressive Congress APC candidate, Pastor Osage Iziyamu. In his words, and I quote, "Edo election is a do-or-die affair for Oshomole." The Rivers State governor hinted that the forthcoming gubernatorial elections in Edo State is a do-or-die matter for the former APC chairman. In his words, and I quote, "So he takes it as a do-or-die matter. He knows that losing this election, he is completely out. He has been dismissed in the APC national leadership. So the only thing now is to hold Edo to see that anyhow they treat him in Abuja, he has where to fall back to. Oshomole knows the outcome of this election and will determine whether he remains in politics or not." Governor Wike also said that Edo election is the only avenue left for Comrade Oshomole to remain relevant in politics. In his words, he said, "Oshomole knows that the outcome of the forthcoming poll will determine whether he will remain in politics or not. If Iziyamu talks for 2 minutes, Adams Oshomole will talk for 20 minutes. Wike also said that Adams Oshomole should lay low because this will be the best for him, and that whenever the APC go out for any campaign, while Iziyamu might talk for just 2 minutes, Adams Oshomole speaks for 20 minutes. The best he can do is to lay low and let Iziyamu campaign for himself. You can see that if Iziyamu talks for only 2 minutes, Oshomole will take 20 minutes to do his talking." So would you say that with these 3 issues raised by Wike about Adams Oshomole, I want to know whether they are true or false? I want to hear your idea on this. Anyone who knows Wike will testify that he is a fearless politician and he is so much interested in September 19th governorship election in Edo State. He wants the whole South House to be PDP state. No wonder PDP made him the chairman of East National Campaign Council. Wike wants APC to be eradicated in the whole of South, and that was why he stood his ground in the face of intimidation and impunity in the 2019 governorship election in Rivers State, when the opposition wanted Rivers State at all costs. Alright, my wonderful people, this is the news coming from Edo State, and if I may ask, can Oshomole survive this pressure? The September 19th governorship election in Edo State is fast approaching, and the 2 top political parties to watch in that election, the People's Democratic Party and the All Progressive Congress APC, are already in the field campaigning for votes. The former governor of Edo State and the former national chairman of APC, Comrade Adams Oshomole, returned to Edo State in style last week for Saturday to boost the campaign of Pastor Osage Iziyamu, who is the APC candidate and also the man he wants to occupy Osadebe Avenue for the next 4 years. For those who have followed the political development in Edo State since last year, they will understand that the battle is between Godwin Obaseki and Oshomole and not with Pastor Osage Iziamu. One can easily recall how their political romance in the past 4 years turned sour to the extent that Obaseki had to defect to the PDP in order to contest for the September 19 governorship election in Edo State. Oshomole has made it clear that he has come back to rest in Edo State, rather than to carry out a project which he must complete before he returns to Abuja. Everyone knows what the project is at this time. It is to ensure that Godwin Obaseki loses the election and that Pastor Osage Iziamu is elected as the governor of Edo State. But there are a lot of interest in Edo State election as it concerns the 2023 presidency. The People's Democratic Party (PDP) is ever ready to ensure that the whole South becomes the zone of PDP. Also, some people in the South who are not happy with the way Oshomole wants to be dictating who becomes governor in Edo State want to checkmate him this time. Alright, my wonderful people, this is all the news we have coming from Edo State. And if you are following the reading, you'll find out that according to Wike, he reviewed why Oshomole is supporting Pastor Osage Iziamu as the Edo candidate for September 19th election. According to Wike, he stated that for Oshomole, Edo election is a do or die affair, and also that Oshomole knows the outcome of this election and this will determine whether he remains in politics or not. And then again, he said that Oshomole doesn't allow Iziamu to talk, that before Iziamu can talk for 2 minutes, Oshomole has already made a 20-minute statement. If I'm to say, I stand with Wike, and I think that Wike is really making a point, because this campaign is for Osage Iziamu and not for Oshomole. Oshomole has been disqualified from APC, and I think he should allow Iziamu to campaign for himself, because I think he can speak for himself and not always interfering in his matter. And so many Nigerians have also reacted to this. One of the comments I have here said, Oshomole, you have to leave Pastor Osage Iziamu to do the talking himself. The next person said, Wike is talking our mind, Wike the man of the moment. And the last comment I have here said, Edo election will be so hot, I can't wait to see what will happen. Okay, my wonderful people, right now I'm going to be giving you opportunity to drop your opinion and what you think concerning this at the comment section. Would like to hear whether you are in support of Wike or in support of Oshomole speaking for Pastor Osage Iziamu. See you in my next video, but don't forget to subscribe to this channel and do well to turn on your notification bell icon to get notified whenever we make a new upload. See you in my next video. Thank you.